Srijan. I'm here to talk about the 6th Sense topic. I think you are aware about the topic, right? At least nothing, I'll just tell you about that. It's a very nice, interesting topic which I chose because it's a very advanced topic. It's nothing less as simple. It's a device which contains a webcam, a projector, a little mirror in the projector, not a big projector like this, a little mirror in the projector, a 4-color markup caps. You know markers, right? Marker caps, 4 caps, or any colors, right? And phone with a net connection. It helps the users of this, right? It's nothing but a. It's similarly, it will be a device loaded over here, right? So that if I stand here, the projector will be reading the data or something which is, if I'm standing, it will be detecting the thing is there, the projector on the stand, right? It will, and it's, it can be not on any, particularly in any place. It should be in a road. Not anything as we want. If we suddenly no place to be, we can just go and stand in front of the wall and we can project things in it, right? Yeah, so you see this one, this is the project. This is the device that he is using, the camera, projector, a color caps, 4 color caps in his fingers, and a mirror, and he's having a mobile phone instead, right? So that you can get the information to the internet. Yeah. That's the projector will just gesture the actions or gesture the pictures. Suppose if you see here, it will detect that wire as one gesture and get an icon from, and it detects as an icon. So that it collects every details about the wire, not only about that, everything regarding the wire and the things, right? Yeah. And suddenly we are going somewhere outside, we don't want to search for a camera or anything, right? Instead just we keep the fingers, 4 fingers like this and do like this. Take a snap so that you can go anywhere. Suppose in an office you can go there and select the pictures. Every picture will be displayed. The best example, have you ever seen the film Minority Reports by Tom Cruise? A simple basic thing was mentioned there regarding that you will be seeing every pictures which he took regarding the investigation, and you can choose anyone by just pointing the pictures, right? You can just scroll it by, if it's because of the 4 fingers which are used in the caps, marker caps, right? So that we can drag the pictures or scroll up. We can zoom in the pictures by just doing like this and doing like this. The pictures will be zoomed, right? If there are collectively many pictures are there, we can particularly, if in this projector, I just particularly want this picture, I can just point it out and we can just drag it outside and we can zoom it. So that it's easy to view. Yeah. It's not necessary you can only do in board or any wall. Even if you have anything, you can just see in your hand, right? If you want a phone, it's similar as the Google Drive. If you open the Google page, you will be getting a lot of additional information regarding the calculator, weather, anything, right? Regarding that, if we select calculator or if you want mobile phones, if you select mobile phones, you can display the images in your hands or mobile phones so that you could, you can see this picture, last picture, I'll show you. You can just press the numbers, it will detect the numbers and you can call you. Right? Call any number as you want. Since this the $350 has been decided by the TED. TED is an association or an organization which introduces a new software which in States. Not only for pictures or anything. If you go for grocery shops, if you take for tissue papers, right? If you take the tissue papers and just see that the projector will be focusing on the tissue paper and just shows whether it is ecologically okay for you. It is ecologically okay for the person whom you need, right? And the thing is, if it's okay, ecologically okay means it will glow a green light. Okay? Green light means it decides that it's okay for you. It's okay not only for you, it's okay, generally it's okay. Because ecologically many papers will not be like that, right? The second thing, not only for the paper, examples for everyone. And the second thing is, if you go for a library, if you take a paper of 1980, and you just see the picture picture of something example. Yeah, Sachin Tendulkar. If you're taking an example of Sachin Tendulkar at 1980, you can just get an update information about Sachin Tendulkar till now, till 2009 of this year. Alright? Not only Sachin Tendulkar, everyone. And regarding any books or authors, you just scroll up the books and you can get the real value of the book. That is it really valuable, right? You will be getting a star symbol, 5 stars, right? The symbol denotes that the book is very useful for you. And if you see the author's picture, if the projector is over the author's picture, it will display the author's origin, then his name, and what are the research which he have done till date, right? Everything. Yeah. In the second point, the third thing is, if you are going to talk with a person of some organization, we can if you are just standing and talking with the person, is the projector will be over his t-shirt and telling about the characteristics or what he's doing, right? About in which organization he is working and as a what, all the statement it will be displayed, right? But the only thing which we have to remember is all these things will be done only through internet, and other things, all these things will be displayed only if the information is already entered in your database. For example, in Wolverhampton, it won't display to the other person outside, right? If I just want to know about your Simran Singh, means just you can stand out and I am talking with you, means the project will be displaying over you that you are doing MSc Internet Engineering and your name and you are from, that's it, your number, because it's all by entered in the college database, right? Not apart from that. Yeah, since the main thing is the allowing information is, it's going to be an open source for everyone instead of selling this software to any multinational companies. Alright, this has been developed by a Punjabi guy. His name is Smith Mitra. Yeah, his name is yeah, he invented this before 2 years in United States and is now ready to use after 2 or 3 years in India for only 15,000. Yeah, this is the price. And not for selling it to any multinational companies. So they won't reach any all people, all stages, right? Any questions?
You lost me at the beginning. This thing where you look at pictures, can you see them or can everybody see them?
Sorry?
You said you can use it to look at pictures.
Yeah.
Who sees the pictures? You or
everyone can see the pictures.
So you've got this thing, you're wired up to this thing.
Yeah, I got the device.
And you're looking at a picture on the wall.
Alright.
And we can see it as well?
Yeah, you can see the pictures.
But we're not wired up to this thing.
But I can only judge, I can only move the pictures or zoom the pictures. Instead you can't do, because the net will connect with the 4 color figures, right? So only I can do the pictures, I can scroll up the pictures or delete the pictures. In fact, you all can just see the pictures, that's
so if you're in a shop looking at a book,
yeah,
and it tells you this is a rubbish book, don't buy it,
right,
can everybody else see that or just you?
No. It will be, it's a book, the book size will be like this, right? In the corner of the book, smallly we display that the book, it won't tell it's rubbish and all. It will detect as, commonly it will normally detect, it won't, it depends upon the particular thing. It won't depend upon individual one. It won't tell about me that you can read the book, he can't read the book, not like that. Generally it will tell that it's okay, you can do it.
And this thing about tissues, I didn't understand that either.
About the tissues?
Yeah, you're looking at a box of tissues,
Alright,
and it tells you if the tissues are okay.
yeah, tissues are okay.
But why do you need something like this to tell you that? Don't you know yourself if you look at the tissues that they're okay?
Hey, it is a mechanical, the best example is, a lot of tissues will be there, right? But we are not sure about that. For a best example, if you are going for a grocery test or something, to buy a bread, there will be a tag for the expiry date, right? So everyone could see that. But generally in these things, it will show us the general thing, that it just shows it's okay, the book is okay. If you want, you can get it. If the book is rubbish, not get it, it's your opinion to get it. Not it, you should do you should get this or you should not get this. It's just a general opinion. It's the way about you take.
Any other questions? Feedback for Prem.